IPS and tricks for solving MCQs test with negative and non-negative markings. Here are some tips and tricks for solving multiple choice questions, MCQs, with negative and non-negative markings. Understand the marking scheme. Before you start answering any questions, make sure you understand the marking scheme. If there is negative marking, you will be penalized for incorrect answers, so it is important to be confident in your choices. Read the question carefully. Take your time to read each question carefully and make sure you understand what is being asked. If you are unsure, ask the examiner for clarification. Eliminate obviously wrong answers. Look at the question and eliminate any answers that are obviously wrong. This will narrow down your choices and make it easier to select the correct answer. Consider all options. Even if you are fairly confident of an answer, it is always a good idea to consider all of the options before making a final decision. Sometimes there may be subtle differences between the answers, and it is important to be sure that you have chosen the best one. Educated guessing. If you are unsure of an answer, it is sometimes better to make an educated guess than to leave the question blank. Remember that there is a chance that you may get the answer right, even if you are not sure. Use process of elimination. If you are having trouble deciding between 2 or 3 answers, try to use a process of elimination. This can involve looking at the options and trying to eliminate those that are not as likely to be correct. Don't spend too much time on any one question. If you are stuck on a question, don't spend too much time on it. Move on to the next question and come back to the difficult one later. Stay calm and focused. It is important to stay calm and focused during the exam. Anxiety can lead to mistakes, so try to relax and focus on the questions one at a time. Manage your time. Make sure you manage your time effectively during the exam. Allocate a certain amount of time to each question and stick to your schedule. Review your answers. Once you have finished the exam, take some time to review your answers. This is your chance to catch any mistakes you may have made. Here are some additional tips for solving MCQs with negative marking. Only guess if you have a reasonable chance of getting the answer right. If you are not sure of an answer, it is better to leave the question blank than risk getting a negative mark. Be aware of distractor options. Sometimes, there may be options that are designed to distract you from the correct answer. Be careful not to fall for these traps. Use your knowledge of the subject. The more you know about the subject, the better you will be at eliminating incorrect answers and making educated guesses. Practice with MCQs. The more you practice with MCQs, the more comfortable you will become with the format and the types of questions that you may be asked. Remember, the key to success is to be prepared and to practice regularly. With hard work and dedication, you can improve your chances of success on any MCQ exam. Please subscribe, share and like this video.